How to draw an isometric dining table set. First, setting your canvas. Create a new layer and set it to drawing assist. And then start to draw a table. Next, start to draw a stool. Create a new layer and draw a circle and duplicate it and drag it down, like add the dimension, and then you can start to draw a stool legs. You can draw just one and duplicate it. After you finish drawing the stool, you can duplicate it 3 times, so you will get 4 stools. Move 2 of them to the opposite side and erase the parts that you don't want. It's done.